Okay, I'm on Black Canyon. I'm out looking for my cat that's been missing for 2 days. When I walked past this house earlier, their stupid dog kept freaking charging at me and growling and acting like a shithead, so I'm still looking for my cat. Hoping he's okay, not run over on the side of the street somewhere. So I'm just videoing in case that damn dog decides to charge at me again. That way if I get attacked, there's proof I wasn't anywhere near their damn yard. I'm even crossing back over to get away. I'm not seeing him. They don't even usually travel this far down unless I was with Little Man. There he is. Already bothering me. Just leave me alone. Go! Finally got that motorhome out of that yard. Interesting.